Hello guys, my name is Aryan. I'm from Arcade International School, Sajapur, Bangalore. Now I am in third grade. I'm I'm start. I am building a game. This type of very new. You can build play here. See, we didn't let you. You cannot find in Play Store, but you can. I made it. But wait, I bought using cloud. Something happened. It's broken. Oh, I'm not showing, but I'm doing. First, you need to go to ChatGPT and type, "Ca- can you make a game of a dragon and like make it like a baby dragon?" You need to tell. Then you need to tell. Then you see a square thing. You need to click on it and go to third and give big set of word. Then you can make it sleep. See. Good night, wake up. You can listen. Hello. 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 I cannot hear you. Something happened again. Something happened to the game. Something happened. Now it's fixed. The voice is happening, but it cannot worsen it. Delete. Now it is working. Game is working. Now game is working. First and feed it ice cream. Okay. Always say pizza. Dance. Yeah. Dance is it. Okay. First you can get play game. You first the flying dragon game. What the 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my god! This is so difficult now. I can play game. This game. Yuck. At a boat. At a boy. Shop. Shopping like Jersey. Uh, the golden dog. Something happened. So sorry. Okay. Yuck. Go. 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 Buzz. No. Now play it. Now you need to go here. You'll see I enter. Okay. You can play different name. Ah. Now you already you see I'm flying dragon up above and strange. You can play it in a mobile. We add it to the Play Store in 5 seconds. In 1 hour, we'll add it. Because oh my god, I'm so beating. Now we can enter. Looks like. Then you can go home. Then shopping. The shopping is shopping. Oh, something is there. Something to buy. There's glasses. How can you can build a game like that? There is shop. There is rings on wall. There's many colors, and and some beach step. And the last thing you want to see it, con- quantity, we can see it barely. How you complete and taxes, everything you can see. Okay? Okay? Are you happy? I'm happy. Hello guys, we are building a kids game. First, we need to tell ChatGPT like give me a prompt of a game for kids game and mostly give me love lovely our kids game. You need to tell. Okay, now we I already told it first. Then you need to go to like you see one square thing. You need to click it. Okay, click it. There, I click in. God, I click in. You guys, I done like something happened. Now you can do it. You clicked it. Then you need to go to cloud and you need to press co- Control V. You press. Uh, okay. Control V. What happened? Sorry, guys. 5 minutes. Give me. Yeah. Happened again, but now it's working. Control me 5 minutes. Happened. Something broke in our class. Already my dad fixed. Press Control V. Here. Control V. Now enter it. Enter. Then cloud will build. Give me few minutes. You can be. You know, file. Now finally my dad fixed it. Now it's already built. Now you need to go somewhere else. O- open it. Open it. Oh my god, no internet! This is so worse. Sure. And now give me 5 minutes if something happens. We need first we need to install this. Oh my god, we already built it in a brand Dragon Brain. Okay. Now we can play. Now first you have to feed anyone. You need to eat. Won't happen. You need to feed food. Now you can give big set of water. Then you can make it sleep. See. Good night, wake up. You can hello. 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 I cannot hear you. Something happened again. Something happened to the game. Something happened. Now it's fixed. The voice is happening, but it cannot worsen it. Delete. You first the flying dragon game. What the 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my god! This is so difficult now. I can play game. This game. Yuck. And a boy. And a boy. Shop. shopping like Jersey, uh, the go down. Something happened again. So sorry. Okay, yeah, go. That's no, play it. Now you need to go here. You'll see I'm talking. You can play different game. Ah, now you already you see I'm flying dragon up above and strange. You can play it in a mobile. We add it to the Play Store in 5 seconds. In 1 hour, we'll add it. Because, oh my god, I'm so beating. Now we can enter. Looks like. Then you can go home. Then shopping. The shopping is shopping. Oh, something is there. Something to now. There's glasses. How can you can build a game like that? There is shop. There is wings on wall. There's many colors, and and some beach step. And the last thing you want to see it, con- quantity we can see it barely. How you complete and taxes, everything you can see. Okay, okay. Are you happy? Are you happy, boy? Thank you, guys. Welcome to. You want to see a video of it? Please subscribe and do everything. Like I want to be like I want to go to 1K subscribers, but we are not passing because still we are in the top. Yeah, so please subscribe, please. I'm begging you, okay? Now, so thank you.